Bring it out slow. Watch the forklift.
All right, clear on the dock.
Good. Let's get the next one ready.
Tests look good across the board. All right, primary inspection complete.
वर्कर्स आउटपुट फ्लो चेक कर रहे हैं प्रीमियम कोल्ड प्रेस्ड पोमेग्रेनेट जूस का।
I've adjusted the flow rate to optimize diafiltration.
The permeate stream is running clear now.
Turbidity levels are holding steady at 0.05 NTU.
Good. The clarification process is working.
Turbidity levels are holding steady at 0.05 NTU.
Good. The clarification process is working.
The clarity reading is optimal now.
Good, the polishing filter worked perfectly. The microbial count is well within the acceptable range.
Good.
Good.
The pomegranate juice lot passes safety inspection.
The clarity levels look good.
Initiate the transfer to the storage tanks. Heat cycle initiated on tank 3.
Acknowledged. Check the temperature differential.
Workers heat exchanger flow pasteurized pomegranate juice का रीड कर रहे हैं।
4 वर्कर्स होल्डिंग टाइम क्लॉक्स वेरीफाई कर रहे हैं।
As you can see, the kill step validation logs confirm the process temperature was maintained.
The density seems stable at 1.2. What is your reading, character B?
Mine matches. We are within the acceptable range for this batch.
How is the consistency holding up on this batch?
Stable, but let's check the refractometer reading.
Tighten the coupling on the lower chamber. Done.
Pressure check initiated.
Heat distribution is stabilizing as expected.
Temperature held at 180 for the full 15 seconds. Kill step confirmed.
Data checks out. I'll sign off on the verification.
Temperature stabilized at the set point.
Cycle confirmed.
Make a note of the flow rate.
I'm seeing residue here at valve 3.
Yeah.
Copy that.
Marking for secondary cleaning protocol.
Look at the edge here, slight bubbling.
Adhesion seems weak on this corner. I'll initiate the peel test.
This one looks good. How does the scanner read it?
Verification confirmed. Quality check passed.